Walter, Bridget, Nyabokes, Derek, be chitariki kianda yirabeli tuko lyejuma omutinyo yokianda omwaka bw'ekiro 2022 aliya senkayaye Mungori Central Village Burabu Sub County County ya Nyamira asebali bonsi banyorino gwakwa kubwatekana no gusira kuyo mwabo nigo twarure engora yaito. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Biamono kegimo mwanchu murigeli ya television ya Ndizi TV ni magrobe ndengia kero cheragire chinsa ISATO chimaroba ya bono chini chinsa churogongoro Afrika ya mocha chinga kinende tuerobedi yokuletera mangana mangia sintira jubo ikireno nyeronga kila litukule Jumatano na mbogoli litukule Jumamosi niko kumerera na nje John Kibati litunyara kwemanya mange ali aberega gwateka kurwa chinsi nyochonsi churogongoro gusi na boigo ali abeire gago kolekana kurwa litukule gachagite igo ikaboniga inyoranga litukule Jumatano nigo tugutwara OMOROBERIO bweke umbu OMOROBERIO tugukorera mangana siasa churogongoro rwa gusi na boigo kenyingima aseli tukulia lero nigo mbwato mageni one nigamanyikana temna Dadius Mosoti gosembura imbe nigalinga kobole kergo kyobo MCA kurwa sekia magia UDA kurwa alia se wodi ya Murende jigo toka Bonchari county ya Kisii bono emagoroba ya bono nigo tweroberi kegimango Charles Meseye elitunyara kukwanera yuna yanda mange kobwatekana nobubwi boyolengo mokonyi bumurai bwense muski William Ruto oyole bono umurai yo machole bwense ya Kenya nago ikalituko lya Jumanne ngotianigwa gati CHINSA inye ne CHINSA isano seto chamugaso na kobumurai yo moya bwense ya Kenya uyu ujikoransi ya Kenya segeka miaka 5 sentunde yaye entangani mwanchu murigeria ayo negati ali tocho kwanira OMOROBERIO bweke umbu kulende magoroba ya bono asegeka gi CHINSA ibere kurubono CHINSA ISATO gweka CHINSA isano nigo tugochakira mangana maya tomenye kogenda OMOROBERIO bweke umbu gento gukora no kulikia SMS yaho kumubori liborio nabo igo gutaka kumanya mange kubwatekana nebirenga byaye ande aketairete borai bwensemeli yabo murenda akorende na bwatekerenga ninde kurubono bujubosyo ninkyarigeti igo chikokora oyo nigakoro kwa Dadius Mosoti gosembembe okurwase ward yabo murenda kurase county ya Kisii alise constituency ya Bonchari bono mwanchu murigelia litangani go ikatora agenda samangana magia twemanye ngikiaberege okorekana litukoligima tokwerena tomayigo soa ase amanganande amange bono sike kekerebusyo nkwerena nena amangana magia senkira yobukirano. Mwanchu murigelia bo television ya Ndizi TV magorobe ngia olio nkonya okuletera mangana maya senkira yo muno obwibyorokera lyo nigakuru kwa Joshua Uta inche ni gonkuru kwa John Kibati mangana maya nigo tukoya chaka kurwase county ya Kisii amateyemo nigiganetie konyorobo ene elio kumanya ninkigia korekana goikogosiria ku mwanobo magiga yo munyarokobo yo mogosomyo sikirasi ja ikomi go se form 2 aseskuru ya mwime county ya Kisii gosirio bagmabwa ya senkira itamanyikaneti korengana na ngino mwano yo nigo atebuna niga kirwisimi egikomanya buna umwano ye niga ringe bobekegima na mega yaye komanyigwa na nigo asiria obogima bwaye mosakito Brighton Makori nigo bono asona nidino roboti oruo elio kumanya ekemaine askeverete
Amate eyemo abairi nabasani nigo bagendete kumata na gutwara amayanda manene magega y'umwana uri gusoma skuru eyemo ase county ya Kisii gosirio obogima bwaye asenjera etamanyikaneti Baukwana ngina omwana oyo nigakwerera ngakyanyarithika wakirwisimi kurwase skuru eyo ekera igitorro akanyora ringana litamo gogetie.
Nyamira ni mtoto wangu anasoma Nyabururu. Nilipata simu jana saa 11 asubuhi na deputy akinipigia akiniambia wewe ni mama iPhone. Nikamwambia ndio. Eti watoto wanafunzi wote wametoka madomu wameenda madarasani. iPhone amebaki kwa domu kama amelala aongei, amejisusulia. Akaniambia tumepeleka iPhone 5, kimbia umuone. Alipigia simu sijui mara ngapi, aliniharakisha sana. Nilipofika kwa shule nikapata shemeji yangu amefika. Akaniambia Jackie pole, iPhone hayuko, iPhone amekufa.
Kurende ni gobono banyarire bakuboria serikali gukora obotuki erikoirera ningigirite umwana uyu gusirio bugima bwaye asenjera oikabono etaramanyikana.
We demanded for an explanation which we have not been given. We went and reported the matter police, and the police informed us to go there today because the DCI was not available. The school administration has not offered any explanation to the cause of the death of this girl. We want to know the cause of the death of this child. Otherwise, we appeal to the government to have this investigation done conclusively and to our satisfaction.
Korengana na mamu mwabo nyagusira ni gatebiruna mwana oye tanya koigwa gose orwarire gose tanya gatebi kurwa se skuru buno mwana oye oigure bobe gutatiga litukira nyarteka gwakerwa esimi.
Fanyia nini? Mmanifanyia nini? Mtoto wangu akuwa mgonjwa, tafadhali mnisaidie serikali. Mnisaidie serikali. Tafadhali wasione sisi ni maskini watu nyanyase.
And this girl has not been having any underlying case that could have caused her sudden death. We suspect there must have been a reason why she died.
Thomas Magale nango uyu mwana uyu siro bugima bwaye ekeranya rekaote abuna ni gobanyarire bagotebiwa chinguma ose ni gobanyarire bakonyora mangana ataraba cyumotwe korengana no gusira ku mwana oye.
It was a mysterious death because so far it is almost 48 hours since then. But there is no any information which has been given out concerning the dead. Now we are appealing to the public and the government as a whole. We know that this is the rule of law. We know that we have better mechanisms which can handle the issue.
Bono ni gia mateyo ya tebruna tirichiko genderera ni meroberio yoko moenia omwano yo nyagosira goikia serikali ya korobotuki na baroba amanyire ninkikirete omwano yigosiri obugima bwaye.
It is my sincere surprise that since the child passed on, if possible, we could have proceeded with the burial proceedings, but we have no way we can proceed without any explanation from the government and the relevant bodies.
Samsoni nyambane oyikonye okurwa ebese yogosomi umwana oyo ni gobono aboririe skuru ya somwana oyo konya gosoma wesokya na kwerera ningi kirirete wo mwana oyo agasiri obogima bwaye.
There must have been a reason why she died, which must be offered by the school administration.
Umwarimu manene bwe skuru eyo kolende ni ganyareka okana chingume icho buno mwana oyo ni gasirete skuru. Kuripoti rigeta seni Candice TV eredariane Brighton Makori
no kwigena gwaitonga amateyo ni chikanyorobo ene kubatikana no mwana yobo betiga gusirira ase skuru ya moime county ya Kisii bia mono kigima Brighton Makori ansorobotiro bono gutigana nayo bakeya bana boda kurase county ya Kisii nigo bamubolirie omurayo machore muske William Ruto kubanyora na boigo kuri gichinchera cyo gwikirania omoroberio olio bottom up economic approach oyo bete igako balire ira ngana chikujikirania elio kwenekia abuna bantu bokonyara gwanse na boro ngwikiru bale elio kwegenderia asobuguma bwabo musakitunde mo Steven nigabatalira sebitu au ime iyo county ya Kisii elio komanya ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana no burayi obuya bw'umurayi bw'ensho yogo cyako bakaguteni golituko lye Jumanne omuske Dr. William Ruto.
Magega yobo chore bonene koera umunyakirogo o IBC wa fula chebukati komoraria William Samuel Ruto buno murayo mochore ekegambiro kona kyo buibwa Ruto aba Kenya korwa chinsemo awonigo bago kiro buibwaye no botwere rubwaye ne kigu
no moko monene konyoro mo president oito twarwanerera tokamwakera chikura so bonge and egando toranze goteba nkeringa bali side eliende wono twakorire siasa yabache totogotere pani yemo tokoremeremo wono siasa yaelire egente kenene tokoregasi no murayo itumna twamochora
nigone indo no mogokotana otomo rayo itokoro kugwire Ruto avuete akamako tangasiko be president yetu ya Kenya.
Gati yemiroberia omo bwa Kenya kwanza bwa kerekoko na muno mubiri bwo kwegerera bari barinse o bottom up oyo abamenyi bagusi baganyererete
yonda mutenga bono intu naba Kenya amangana tribalism mtobeke kwanza kana. Number 2 omuroberio ya tebeto bottom up anyokole mpaka gari ase mupinzani oyo umonena alingi iko bona make sure in every county bottom up ya kole. Number 3 afanyikazi ya baba ke ato consider ntora konga tora base kurubango iko ara tulire ara to time na inde ara to imuki go na bottom up ya yego teba tumayo kora gento kiege tumayo jakulira mangana yebango
manifest nera to tebeti buna ento boda mama mboga bona mona muna nchesi boda umurayo mintonge egentongo saba litangana ko chiko gokora number 1 ake ya mafuta
umurayo ito muambie mheshimiwa Samuel Ruto bono ntaito tuligere kabisa na nte bichana bya boda otoinue kabisa oyinwe abangi na bari biashara oyinwe kiro mondo kerense ya Kenya birire byonsi bibiro mare ncharanero marangi kero umugambio tuligere bya kabisa na ende bottom up yegwateba echake mapema byegera ria banturanyara koinwa maisha itobia.
William Ruto negasabiru kwene kibuna ngoba bwatania raba Kenya bonsi na gusira magendero chinse mo chionsi eliogo kiniense
ebinto biria beka nga aito yererie ebinto we are expecting that ainde tubwate amatumaini amange wetera somora yoyo
atunganise 20 mpaka no mwesa bali bata mwakerete atunganise tobegenta kamo atokoregas igobona nande ningegene tumurayo itoli no yuwa gukwana na gokora
nonye emiroberio komotiania William Ruto no mokonyeri Rigathi Gachagua kegendreta segeti kia Moi Kasarani nigeganyereire meroberi ke serikali ya Ruto era igerere asama tukamatanganie mia yemo imeobisi.
Your Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
Wiya kigima musikito Steven Ndemo asoroboti urwo omwaki kuroyomo asirita Dennis Omwenka kurwase county Nyamira nigabekire kinabushi ubwekigambiro eligotugutira robuchori bwo mugabana omujya kigima gosujure sentunde ya kabiri musike amusinyalibo kurangana nere nigabote babuna nigo chukure cyo kitabale twesenkirengia nabo igo bwasuku tibwarenganaro ekero chukure cyo cyalinke gukorekana musikito kurwase county Nyamira Job Mangi OKOARIGANI roboti orwo senkira y'EKIRANIA
ase obochori obonene bwo mwakoyo nigo abamenyi be county Nyamira besogetie ase obonge na wakachikura ase Amos Nyaribo abetega koraligwa na gotianigwa buna omugabana onyamira
without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Korende lituko lya lero omwaki chikura oyomo ime county Nyamira Dennis Omwenga nabeka EKINA koti gusaba obobwibwo mugabana Nyaribo gutuguterwa are.
Watu wa Nyamira wanasema kuwa hawakupigia Nyaribo kura. The people were intimidated. Votes which were casted were not the one which were announced. So that's why we are here to question the choosing of Nyaribo as the governor of Nyamira.
Narwa ogosaba buna machibu yechikura kolingoligwa ase asaba obocholi oboyagwakwa.
The form 37As which our agents got, the votes which were there does not tally with the form 37C which the returning officer used to announce the results. There are several discrepancies there.
Aba wakiri baikirana asense meyo mbasaba ekoti koligerelia amanganaya na kunacha EKINA ase oboene
and be able to establish the allegations that we have established in the petition. And 2, we have asked the court to nullify the declaration of Governor Nyaribo as the governor for Nyamira County,
And lastly, we have asked the court to declare that there be results in Nyamira County in the next 60 days after they have declared the result as null and void. So those are among the prayers that we have asked in the petition, and we believe that our client has met all the requirements that could amount to a nullification of the election exercise. Yes.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Igotikana na roboti oruo KWOARIGANIA KOGOTIANIGWA kumurayo mochore bwentunde ya gatano yensi ya Kenya umusikie Dr. William Ruto na mukonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua niko kuendete byasi getige chigosori kya Kasarani imeyo mochu Nairobi omoroberi bwogotianigwa na kwereri bwobugambi ni igora cyukurekana litukule Jumanne na boigo uyu kabiro mugabana bwe county ya Machakos umusikie Dr. Alfred Mutua ikayikirana sigetiye ekyo lyo kwenekya mnemerubelio agendrete ansensemeyo.
Today we've done a preliminary visit of the stadium where the inauguration function will be held for the 5th President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, His Excellency. We are here with teams from the National Government Office of the President, from the judiciary, from the military and others. And our main concern and our main issue was to make sure that the standards that are being set up here today are of international quality. We want this event to be flawless. We want this event to send the right message to Kenyans that we are ready to work. And so far, we've walked around with the senior officials here, and we are very happy with what we've seen. We are a team from the former Deputy President's office, and I've been working with him, and so far so good. We have made a few changes to ensure that there's proper flow of traffic and proper flow of the VIPs that will be coming here. So, and we've urged them to continue and finish the work as quickly as possible. We've made a few changes here and there to make it easier for Wananchi. What we want to tell Kenyans is that the transition is real and it is happening. And Kenyans should brace for themselves for a government that will deliver to the people. And that's what we want to do. Have this inauguration, have a good time, but then we get back to work. We don't want to waste a lot of time. We have impressed upon the management of the stadium that everybody coming here is a VIP. Every person who will come to this stadium is a VIP. So the toilets that they use, the seats they sit on, the places they go will need to be VIP standards. We don't want what we call madogodanyo. We don't want things that look like the stadium has never spent a lot of money to be.
Uyake gima kiratogendrete na mangana Amayia Rogers Moturi oyolenge ayomo bwabali bari kuri gikirugo ikyobochumbe kurwase constituency ye West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira negairire kinabo shubwe kigambiro ili kwamereria obobui boyole mubunga bachore kurwase constituency ya West Mugirango Steve Mogaka korengana nere nigatebre bunobo choli obwo nikobwa koletu asenchire talinge yobwasi okwo na nigo aganirio bocholi oboya kokorekana gose kobarwa boya nigo aike kinekyo asekigambiro kya Nyamira locals umugasorero
mono asamaliete nkuru ku Rogers Moturi ongera na inje nona lenge oyo mubwe candidate bwoko boli chikura cha West Mugirango yobochumbe ase chama ya ODM litangani kabisa ntaite kwira libageli ngakira abantu baito ba West Mugirango bonsi nambiye mono abakena manene aso wesoke na mbengia yo waka chikura nainde bono chikura chielire tiatosaba abantu baito omolembe ogendere uno yogendere teiga lakini rende ekere twachiri kuligereria una matokeo ayatangasetwe twaligereirie form 35A form 35P na form eli atumiete gutangaza mapatano iya agerire twabekire petition yeito ase AI court yeito ya Nyamira elinde na barobaligereria mangana ayo na lituranyale kumanya unaeke maene ngobwete chikuleji cha West Mugirango ase igaiga seito igo twabekire kinaime negento tutagete no maene bomanyekane na ningobwete
Abasa ekurasi kaunti ya Bungoma ni gobesokire na kumusegeta omuraibwe kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula eliyo kugenda busio kuliye kirugo kyobonogeri bwe bungenene ni go ywa magega ya Wetangula gwesokia na boigo kuliye libakali kurwanira libagelyo lyokobomonogeri bwe bungenene eyira chikokoleka na abo lituko lya ankyo niko batebiruna ira eliaba bete bakulierwa nobo mabuli bwa Kenya kwanza ni go baganitike gima omurayo yo Moses Wetangula chikubwatrana na baraibande eliyo baleta magendero asensemeyo ya Bungoma.
Ford Kenya, Simba, 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 usawa, haki na ukweli. My party, my choice. Ford Kenya, Simba, 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 usawa, haki na ukweli. My party, my choice.
Nikiwa mwenyekiti wa Bungoma County wa bodaboda, na kama sisi hapa Bungoma nataka kushukuru Mheshimiwa Seneta mwenye tulipigia kura
Baba ya Roma.
Siku ya Alhamisi, mimi kama chama wa Bungoma najua wale wenye wamesimama na yeye kukombea kiti ya uspika hawana numbers. Najua Alhamisi kufikia kama saisi Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula atakuwa speaker wa National Assembly, na hapa Bungoma tutakuwa na by election ya Senator.
We live in Moses Masika Wetangula, and I know he is going to be our next National Assembly Speaker, and we are fully behind him. For the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza to go through, it needs a sober person with a sober mind like Moses Masika Wetangula.
Hapa wetu wa Roma anaenda kukua next National Assembly Speaker. Si ndio vijana?
Yes.
We are hoping that as the Papa wa Roma is going up there to be the National Speaker, we are hoping that Wafula Wakoli atachukua hii kiti ya useneta.
Egotekana na roboti orwe kiombeke mogia shofko ni gogie so kiribene na kubakira abakenya ngambia muno aso wataleta buraburu chiri chonzi chingaki ichoba chori gokwana asensemo ya Kibra ime mu Nairobi bakoragwa na Kennedy Odende nigo baireli bageri na kubakira abamenyi benseme ngambia muno asemero biliyonzi babete bakobeka iliko bakwanira na kubeko mulembe no nyabo chori babete bogotukuturwale nekero bwara letiwe kobanga umurai oliyo manikarita senseme mono taireti oburai bwense nigo babigeto mulembe nabono igababuliri bagendere no mulembe oyo.
Nimeshukuru sana kwa hii amani tumefanya hapa Kibera. Wakati election ilikuwa naendelea, tuliita watu wetu tena borders, tukakaa chini tukapropose tuendeze kitu inaitwa amani, na nimeona amani imefanyika.
I am very happy today. These are the community leaders all over Kibra, and I remember before election, during COVID time, we were already planning, because for us peace is about process, right? It's not something that happened one day, and it's about appreciating what you have in the community. Here, some of us are born here, you know, we don't want to destroy our properties, we just want to live with love. And of course you have to go vote, that's your right, you know. And they promised me that there will be peace. Vijana wa Kibira pia wakaleta amani. And honestly right now, my message is that as we're moving forward, we have to listen to the voices of the community.
Omugabana bwe county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea ni gatebire bunatagokiri nobokoreri obwobole ase county yo na hone kiribuna ni gara chekojerambura na kone kibuna maunjoli ya manene nguchare koba asensemeyo ni gatebire buna enchere banko egosangirigwa imeye county yitere enchere ndonge kolende ni gabwate meroberio yo kone kibuna abantu bonzi bensemeyo nguchegwa kana bali banko eliyo koleta magenderero asensemeyo.
Mji wa Kenya ndiye atakuwa mbele, viongozi watakuwa nyuma. Si ndio? It applies across, especially elected leaders. Hii mambo ya uheshimiwa mingi inafanya watu wasavu wananchi. So nataka provide service kwa watu wetu kuanzia grassroots kwenda juu. Wakati mheshimiwa unainuka lazima ujue kwamba unainuka na nani. Jambo la pili tukasema kwamba maofisa wetu wa enforcement wasipige watu. Haimaanishi kwamba lazima upigwe ndio utoe ushuru. Ama zinaenda pamoja. Sasa tunakuwa wangwana tu, unatakana kulipa ushuru. Na mimi naona ni kwamba lazima tutajenga jengo ile inaitwa county headquarters ambayo itakuwa na maofisa wote. Ukikuja pale kama unataka kutembelea departments kama 5 unazipata zote ziko pale. Ile kama vile kwa huduma center tu. Sasa tukuja uone mmoja pale akitoa mwingine unapata pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, upande pikipiki uende kwa nyingine, hapana.
Akara tutikaliza samangana yichi county omugavana gwi county ya Embu Musubati Cecil Mbarile ligarugo kurogo tindi gochia sabokuri mirimo ase wizara y'obacheno asokurushia mariogo kurwa sinyegeta chine nenseme jona ko yaoni asiji chemistry ayo nigaya kwana ekero mariogo yichi shilingi 10 milioni 19 aikerana sinyegeta ya Embu level 5 nigatebuna serikali yaje teligochia gwanchirana nobukurumi obwo bogokurekana asenseme yo nanigo abantu bali barachikubwato barayirirwe gitambukiro egetindi kegima.
We must ensure that the medications we get, the non-pharmaceutical supplies we get, whether they are gloves or bandages or cotton or whatever consumable that we have, is used for the purpose it's supposed to be used and used within the facility of Embu level 5 and not outside. And therefore, I want to give notice to those members of staff who've been assisting and aiding in stealing medical supplies from level 5 hospital to chemists and pharmacies and other private hospitals in Embu County. Your days are numbered.
Aba MCA abubachore twegwe trasikia magia kanuni gobono bamuganirie omunyakirogo bwike mekyu kanu muzike Gideon Moi kubwatrana no murayo machore bwense ya Kenya muzike Dr. William Ruto eliyokoreta magenderero imeyense ya Kenya kolengana borobu nigo batebire nigo bachikoira egetambukiro gyo kubwatrana ne serikali eliyo gucha koreta amagenderero asichinsemo chiria bachore twe.
Sisi tulichaguliwa kwa chama cha KANU na kiongozi wetu wa chama cha KANU, chairman wetu ni Gideon Moi, na wakati huu, hiyo ilikuwa ni juzi wakati wa uchaguzi. Mwenyewe Gideon Moi, watu wa Baringo wakamweleza sisi tunakupumzisha, na akaweza kupumzisha kwa ile uchaguzi ya juzi. Kwa hivyo mimi niko tu na ujumbe moja kwa chairman wangu kwamba serikali, wewe unajua serikali ikishaenda mkondo huu hakuna kurudi pande hii. Wewe usikae msituni, ingia mahali serikali iko. Sisi tunataka tukuone ndani ya hii serikali, uungane na ndugu yako Ruto. Ruto hawezi kataa Gideon. Wamelelewa pamoja. Wamekuwa kwa chama cha KANU pamoja. Kwa hivyo hawezi kumkata, wataweza kwenda pamoja na baadaye
serikali chumo digelia nigo to kuminyoke masemo guikase rubo bichigosori asejigosori sekerengo kia nationals nigo chigo chaka abwoli tuko lianko imeji county liankyo imeji county ya Nakuru omuri chitonde mo Steven nigo atwaligeneri robot ruabene kubatikana mna chitimu kurwa sorogonko rwanyansa chabete chigokolibiya guika sekerenge ikyo ekia nationals tukatanyo robot ruo asenchire yo wikirano.
Korwa orogongo rwa Nyanza mage chigosoli cha regional sokorekane wiki ya eta nigaba buyase chigosoli au barata ke chigosoli chabo chintangani mambia ime Nakuru. Ase handball Manyata Boys na Kakrau Girls na bubabwa ase timu yenko y'abasubati ya Kobala na Kisumu Day chirairuruki ebendera ya Nyanza. Korwa Gusii chitimu chia handball chia basubati chia Masosa Girls na Ndonyo nigo chia sokigu ase chi semifinals abu ase nkoyo gesaba kuyabu na Kisumu Day ase chi semifinals titeka chio komenta chigori ISATO ase ibere.
Twachagete mechese ya mapema kunya go train tukatema tukabua Nyamira County so paka bono na twachete recreation go present Nyamira County. Twakire mipire tato mupiro mutangani tukabu ne skuru ya Miranda ya nya Omapei County tukabu yo kabere twete skuru go kugu orwa Kisumu County. Romambi twakire semifinali twabu ne skuru ya Kaklao Ekorumigori.
Ase hockey ababui ba Nyanza saba muranki Kisumu Day na Nyamira Girls korwa county ya Siaya ase hockey abasubati. Asomo pira webikabu Onjiko Boys na Ototo Girls na buo babeta babui.
Okay, now I promise kama tumeenda Nakuru, tuta work hard
and we have God. We trust. I trust my teams. Najua tukifika huko, we will be the champion again, and then tutapeleka our best huko, and then tukirudi tutarudi na surprise again. Amen.
Korwa gusi imea basketball, St. Angela Sengera Girls nigo yasogete gwasa chi semifinals abwa saba muri abanyanchwa baba namba ISATO imea Nyanza megeyoko bwa Maranda Boys.
Tofauti ya Kisii County na Nyamira County chi principal chi hapo garachi ko support ya bana ba ku scholarships sana ba ka agoro sarega na unjiko tebra South Sudan ya batambe sana pono njiko ruhusi to kote kama wana waliweka rasmi ba kawaida pono you cannot compete at this level unless we start also supporting for scholarships, game scholarships. Na tena compete na lakini wasaigo iga I was struggling because I didn't have it. Toko train na ito manya tai tuma noko ligyo montaba tamba valenta se team.
Next time when we are given a chance to come for the regionals again, we will make sure we go and train well in our defense so that next time when we come, we aim win nationals because our motto says we aim high.
Kartokori each county chinde babwata a lot of scholarships. Karatora konya kwa manage coach each county chinde bawo chabaye wa abana bago some for free. Coaches bawo motivations bawo chiba sabanda ba league players who really assist them. So scholarships to tunyora ni Nyamira County equal to Kisii County ngate na bashiko tokonya sawa wanafunzi hawa.
Sechi finali ya volleyball Nyanza, St. Joseph's Boys na Nyakongo Girls na bobabwa. Netball na rugby Inko Bala Girls, Nduru Boys amo na Yala Boys ubarabe imea nationals imea Nakuru chuchira ere Jumapili chitariki 11 omwetinyu kianda omwaka oyo. Kuripoteri ya Ndizi TV ilietalia Nendemo Steven, Captain 001.
Oyo no musaki ito bwechigosori Captain 001 Ndemo Steven okwarigani roboti uruko batakana ni jigosori kiri skuru cyo secondary kigendrete asebono cyo ikire kerengo kiria gia nationals na nigo chire imeye county ya Nakuru nigo gabo akweresire kubatakana ni jigosori ekurwa sorogongo rwa Nyanza biamono kegimo mwanchu murigelia bo television ya Ndizi TV kolengana nensa ya nenkade chekire CHINSA nigo goteba CHINSA mirongo CHINSA ISATO gideke mirongo bere na kianda egoro yechize ISATO chimarkoba yabono wikiraga bo mwanchu murigelia nongo kola mangana magia senkira yubo ikiranu emakoroba yabono kolende inere ntunde tangani kegima yumuroberio oyubwa mangana magia kolende gosotole sentunde yakabere yumuroberio bwekeumbu emakoroba yabono bunago tebyo magani one nigakuru kwa Dadius Mosoti embura embe nigabori ekirugo kyobo MCA kurose gwodi bo morenda alise constituency ya Bunchali county ya Kisii nigo turoberetibu ya kegime magoroba yabono elioto chake amangana yumuroberio bwekeumbu mna botambe mnango tebya umuroberio yekirenga kiaye no kumanyia alia abarayi bali baborite birogo nabali konyora batrabori twako botebirie birenga byawo mbiri byarenge nago ikatogendere no umuroberio yo litukwanere bono abachori bwaherire bali abarayi bande batianiwe buna abagabana mbabere boka bataratianiwe county ya Mombasa na boigo ya Bungoma na boigo umuraibwense omochore muske Dr. William Ruto ngotiani gwale litukoria Jumanne gochakira CHINSA inyego gachinza isano neizeto elio obrayo boya buchi egosto goso gwentunde ya gatano buchi goso ninki kelio muraibwense omoyago chigotoletra bottom up economic model asensemelia yokorosi uchumi yense ya Kenya gwikiraboni gense ya Kenya nigebu ate gwetania trillion kianda national debt na kiumura ibwense yago chigochiakania ine na kiyo chigochore serikali ekihagira bono omugusinga yago chikoba onyolese serikali yaita omuskematiangi nero lingo murayi igorogali kegima ase serikali ya William Ruto ningo orachikobe liso lyagusi no mheshimiwa Machogu ande yake kiranero likobulyo bogabana kuruse county ya Kisii no nyataireti ndubwate Silvana Sosoro mubunge o South Mogirango nere munego tebekana buna kwana chinga kiyete ekerarenge gali ase stadium ya Kisii nigatebana ande yake na barachorwe chief whip ase bunge enene ndokumanyiriria kiara mbara kiragabo kera babunge bagutugotianigwa aboli tuko lia ankyo kera bagotianigwa kigima nemirobulie chake bachoro monogeri omujia ensemeria ya Kenya Kwanza bamubekire bosio oyo kurukunga nere Moses Wetangula nabo igo omusubati narigalia bachorere kigima nere guchkwenda koba omo deputy speaker na abandi bali getie kerogekyo eligobono aina igatia mangana tuchu kwanire magoroba yabono na kuligereria serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na kiuchu gukora imirimo yabo intwe n'abagusi egetariye itonkiriki ningo orajikoba gusora choro serikali ya William Ruto intwe libagali itondiriri muno mugusi gose ninki turarigereri gose turasemeri kurwaroro na kie serikali yigo jikoba aina mabori anda mange ari tutakire gukwanira emagoroba ya bono Dadius Mosoti nigo ari oyo mubwa bwatani balia ba Kenya Kwanza kwarora liria omurai musiki William Ruto araligwaneke gambero ekia Supreme Court niga onchukana na ime yomo chobo songo nkaite ngote vindo mosaki producer ane James andigiri roboti oria se Dadius Mosoti agukwanira abantu be county ya Kisii kigima akurugo segetanga ine serikali liego jikokore mirimo asentunde ya gatano na sigika kimya kitano igobono ayuni gatia tuchu kwanira igoro ye serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kiarabono nero ya nchirwe ego jikosoa na gukore mirimo tigantigerega abungero berie elinde moreto maganione ngote biguno ikira CG studio chito no ale maiga na hinje no kwero beria chideka nkeigo ngira na sentunde ya kabere olion konya kokoletera mangana ya magia senkere yomuntu wagwe biorokerio nigakuru kwa Joshua uta inche nigonkuru kwa John Kibatie